On the scene, can you see or paper on the wall? One student from each group go to the wall and choose a sheet. Read the task. Come in. Group 1, come in. Group 1.
Give 5%, 25 gram copper sulfide solution. How many mass of copper sulfide?
Okay. Group 3, reading.
Give 5%, 50 grams potassium sulfate solution. How many mass of potassium sulfate?
3 groups.
Give 10%, 25 gram iron sulfate solutions. How many mass of iron sulfate?
2 sulfide. Okay. Okay, Camila. This is a blackboard and the slide.
Given mass of copper sulfide.
Copper sulfide, okay.
25
Solution copper sulfide. Okay.
25 grams. And percentage is 5%.
5%.
Find mass of copper sulfide.
Okay. Басқаларымыз әркім өзінің есебін шығарып отырады ғой. Әр топ өзінің есебін шығарсын. Сөйле, Камила.
Percentage equals to mass of solution.
Solute.
Solute. And
Over.
mass of solution.
Solution, okay. Multiply 100.
100%.
Okay.
And the mass of
Copper sulfide.
sulfide equals to percentage
Multiply
mass of solution and over 100%.
Okay.
Equals to 5% and 25 equals to 100%. 5% and equals to 1.25 grams of
Copper
sulfide.
sulfide. Okay. Sit down, please.
Суда есептейміз. Суда 25 болады.
Yes.
25-тен уже жазып 25.
Maize water. Maize water. 25 minus 125. Okay.
And 23.75 grams of water.
Solvent. Okay, water. Okay. Так, шарф бабек. Майя, окей. Ажан. Старт. Ажан tell us the state of experiment step by step.
We take copper sulfide, mass 1.25 grams, and put it to the flask. Then we take water and pour it to the aromatic cylinder. 23.75 grams. Then we take water and put it to the flask. And we mix them. And we have blue solution.
Blue solution. Okay. Match the materials used. You answer which statement we have learned on the lesson. Okay. What is solvent? What is solvent?
Solvent is water.
What is solute?
Solute iron balance